Hi, welcome to Concepts Hub. In this video, we are going to discuss NPCI as part of general awareness. Let us start. NPCI stands for National Payments Corporation of India. This was an umbrella organization. NPCI was an umbrella organization for operating retail payments and settlement system in India. Payments and settlement system in India. This was an initiative of This was an initiative of Reserve Bank of India and Indian Banks Association. The current governor of RBI is the current. So when we are talking here, current is 2021. Okay, the current governor is Sri Shaktikanta Das. And the chairman of Indian Banks Association is Rajkiran Rai. See, Rajkiran Rai. This was brought under the provisions of Payment. This was brought under the provision of Payment and Settlement Systems Act 2007. This has been incorporated as not for profit. Incorporated as not for profit under the provision of Section 25 of Companies Act 1956. This has been amended and the new section is Section 8 of Companies Act 2013. The 10 core promoter banks are State Bank of India, Punjab National Bank, Canara Bank, Bank of Baroda, Union Bank of India, Bank of India, ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, Citibank, and HSBC Bank. In 2016, the shareholders are 56 member banks. 56 member banks so that they can represent all the sectors. Next, the rupee. Rupee is an indigenously developed payment system to fulfill the needs of Indian consumer banks and merchants. RuPay supports an issuance of debit, credit, and prepaid cards by banks in India. All RuPay cards will have the functionality of which enables which enables low value contactless payments like toll, transit, parking, and retail. RuPay has an alliance with international network partners. There is an alliance with international network partners like Discover Financial Services, Japan Credit Bureau, China Union Pay to offer world-class payment solutions to RuPay card holders. IMPS stands for Immediate Payment Service. India has become the leading country in the world in real-time payments in retail sector. The minimum limit for using IMPS is no limit and the maximum is 2 lakhs per transaction, and the maximum limit is 2 lakhs per transaction, and it is available 24 into 7. This facility is available 24 into 7. Next, NACH. NACH stands for National Automated Clearing House. This is an offline web-based system for bulk push and pull transactions, which are repetitive, and periodic. This provides electronic mandate platform to register mandates, facilitating paperless collection process for corporates and banks. It provides for both account-based and Aadhaar-based transactions. APBS. APBS stands for Aadhaar Payment Bridge System. APBS stands for Aadhaar Payment Bridge System, which help government and government agencies in making direct benefit transfers. Okay, in making direct benefit transfers for various central as well as state sponsored schemes. Next, AEPS. AEPS stands for Aadhaar Enabled Payment System. With this introduction, it helped in the financial inclusion, which helped in the financial inclusion and also to access funds at doorsteps. To access funds at doorsteps. Not only this one, it helped in providing banking facilities, banking services, banking services in un underserved areas with AEPS system. Next, NFS stands for National Financial Switch. National Financial Switch is the largest network of shared automated teller machines, which helps in facilitating interpolable cash withdrawals, card-to-card fund transfer, and interpolable cash deposit transactions. UPI. UPI stands for Unified Payments Interface. With the introduction of this one, this has become the revolutionary product in the payment system. UPI has become the revolutionary product in the payment system. Bharat Bill Payment. Bharat Bill Payment offers one-stop bill payment solution. One-stop bill payment solution for all recurring payments. For all recurring payments like electricity bill, gas, water bill, telecom, DTH, loan repayments, insurance, FASTag recharge, cable, you can see many things. Next, NETC. NETC stands for National Electronic Toll Collection. National Electronic Toll Collection, which helps customer to pay electronically at NETC enabled toll plazas. NETC without stopping using RFID technology. We'll see what is RFID. The FASTags are radio frequency identification stickers. Okay, the FASTags are what? Radio frequency identification stickers. They may ask you what is RFID. So remember this one, radio frequency identification. Next, there has been a technical committee which was constituted with two eminent professors of IIT Mumbai. Professor NL Sarda is the chairman and Professor G. Shivakumar is the co-chairman of Technical Advisory Committee. The vision of NPCI is to be the best payment networks globally. To be the best payments network globally, and the mission is to touch every Indian with one or other payment services. Pi is the this is very important. This is very important. Is the personal digital assistant of NPCI. Okay, if you visit the website at the bottom, you will see the chat box of Pi, which will help you to know the services available with NPCI. Recently in news with the NPCI partnered with SBI Payments to launch RuPay Soft POS solutions, and this enable the merchants. Okay, RuPay Soft POS enable the merchants to turn their smartphones into POS machines. And it has also launched global hackathon. The name of that hackathon is NPCI Pay Earth Challenge on X. And NPCI, SBI, and JCB launched SBI Rupee JCB Platinum contactless debit card, which should be used domestically and globally. Who is the non-executive chairman of National Payments Corporation of India? And the non-executive chairman is Bishwa Mohan Mahapatra. Who is the MD and CEO of National Payments Corporation of India? and the MD and CEO is Dilip Aspi. RTGS. RTGS stands for Real-Time Gross Settlement. RTGS stands for Real-Time Gross Settlement. It is available 24 into 7. Recently, it has made 24 into 7. And minimum amount limit is 2 lakhs. The minimum amount limit for RTGS is 2 lakh, and the maximum amount limit is no ceiling. So NEFT. NEFT stands for NEFT stands for National Electronic Fund Transfer. NEFT stands for National Electronic Fund Transfer, and it is also available 24 into 7. And the minimum amount is there is no minimum amount, and the maximum amount limit is 10 lakhs. It was set by banks. The outbounded remittance through NEFT system. Remittance through NEFT system are permitted only to Nepal. Only to Nepal under Indo-Nepal Remittance Scheme. Indo-Nepal Remittance Scheme. Thank you. If you like our videos, please subscribe to Concepts Hub. Thank you all.